We are now going to continue the test of the bazooka with our last rocket.
AKA Mellow Yellow.
Mellow Yellow is right. So, hopefully, it'll work. Let's load it. Once again.
Where'd the firing king go?
It's hanging on the string. It's good.
I'm making sure.
All right, now, just everybody hold steady. Right. We are now going to attach the clips again. Hang on. Come on. Hang on a second here, Word. You gotta pick it. You gotta pick this one up a little bit. Pick it up a little bit. All right.
The accuracy.
All right. There it is. We're now attaching the other one.
And praying.
We are clipped. We are now going to load it into the bazooka.
I don't hear anything rolling.
I'm not. I've got it as straight as I can have it.
It's straight.
That's what I'm saying. That way I don't have to.
All right, we are now ready to test the bazooka.
Yeah, that's better.
We're now inserting the launch key. Everybody stand clear. If I lose my head, tell my wife I love her. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
1, 2, 3.
You burned a hole in your shirt.
Ah!
Holy.
Oh. Yes! It worked!
Oh, it worked all right.
That's too much motor.
Let's look for a...
That is too much fucking motor.
Yeah, there's plenty of paint all over the place here.
Well, when it hit, dude,
It went all along here.
That's what it did. It hit here.
Where's the rocket?
Right here. Right over here.
It's in the tree.
It got caught in the tree and shot itself out.
Oh man. Yeah, when the look at that. Oh my god. Paint everywhere.
I thought it was going to kick back on you, Craig.
It did, man. My fucking shoulders burn like a mofo. Look at that.
Oh.
Can we make a weapon or what?
Can be somewhat reused.
Yeah, that's why. There we are, folks. Perhaps we used a little too much on the rocket, but it is yet effective. I think I need to see a doctor. My neck is burning.